Hello everyone, you're watching the Zach Goodenkoff YouTube channel.
Welcome to the video today, everyone. Something a little different for you. It's going to be a farming video, harvest video today. For those of you that don't know, I actually work at corporate John Deere full-time, and no, I'm not an off-road truck racer full-time, and no, I'm not a farmer full-time, even though I wish I was. So actually I work in John Deere product support, and if you guys don't know right now, the union's on a strike, and so I'm on the salary side. So I've actually been in the tractor factory in Waterloo, Iowa, building tractors. So this is probably going to be one of the only days I get to help with harvest back home, and so I'm going to try to make the most of it, get most of it on film as I can. I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more off-road truck racing or farming or just fun stuff, cool stuff in general, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I definitely would appreciate it. Good morning, Daisy. And her little calf. Time to get this show on the road. We have arrived at our destination for today. Andrew's getting the trailer turned around. I'm gonna get swung around so I can grab the head. Grabbed her off the header cart first try. Look at that. This field's technically in the Grand River bottom, so the bottoms are really out toward that way, where the river runs through, but we got a little bit of the bottoms here in the back of this 15-acre field, and usually it yields really good. We plan on a 7.5-inch row of the 750 drill, and does a real fine job. This combine's got a 16-foot head. Thick beans, it really can't handle any more than that, but typically what we're running in, we could probably get by with a 20-foot head. Everything's going good so far. Oh, missed it a little bit. You can stop messing with the GoPro. We're full. Time to dump. Every year this part of the field right here to my left holds water, so you can see how I had to cut around it. You can see my ruts. There's actually standing water right there. But every year, some years I can plant through it, but it seems like even then, even in a dry harvest, I can never cut it. So luckily I didn't get stuck because it's just two-wheel drive combine. It gets through pretty good. 15.9, well 15.7 now. 15.7 and it's 15.8. Almost 16 is about as fast as I can get this combine to go. Drives fairly smooth. You gotta move the wheel a little bit, get her, keep going straight, but not too bad the road. That's my mama on her school bus right there. We just got moved to what we call the 80 acres, and it's where my parents are building their new house. It's right there. All the framework and siding and roof and garage doors are all done. Now they're doing, and the concrete work's done, so now they're going through and doing plumbing, electric, and the fireplace, which will be that corner. But we've got an L-shaped field here to do, a smaller field down in the center, and then it's like a 40-acre patch in the back, and then there's some smaller fields that kind of loop around this patch of trees. My dad's bringing the head around, and then I'll hook up and we'll get going. So to get the head hooked up, I catch it off the trailer, and then Andrew will go in, pin in on both sides, and then chain around the shafts on both sides. So you have the auger and the sickle drive shafts, and then I'll come out here and hook up hoses for the reel up and down, and then the reel motor, and then you have the automatic header height connector, which we made it like a trailer style versus what John Deere originally had on there. Seems to work better for us. Sun's going down. It's about 6:30. Elevator closes at 7, so I'm gonna dump on what I got left into Andrew, and then I'll hop in with him, show you guys what the elevator's all about, and then my dad will take over running the combine. Big trucker, big trucker. Tucker right over there. Bean dust sure is some nasty stuff. Look who we found at the elevator. Old Tucker. It's 379. We got our Freightliner with our dump trailer. He's got a 379 double hopper on. Well, that's gonna do it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, and we'll catch you on the next one.